Today we're gonna make these delicious pumpkin cheesecake muffins. To get started on making our pumpkin cheesecake muffins, we're gonna start getting all our ingredients together. So we have preheated the oven to 350. We have our muffin tin here, some spray that I'm gonna do before we scoop our batter into our muffins, or you can use cupcake liners as well, whichever you prefer. So here we have 1 3/4 cup of flour. We're gonna add to that 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. So I made this myself. If you click here, you can see how I made that and you guys can make that at home. So we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of that, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, okay. Then we're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, okay. Now, just combine these dry ingredients together and we'll leave this set aside. Perfect. Now, wet ingredients. We have 1/2 stick of butter, melted. We're gonna do 1/2 cup of sugar. Nope, sorry, 1 cup of sugar. 1 cup of pumpkin puree. And we're gonna whisk this together. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then we're gonna add our 2 eggs. So this is our wet ingredients. And now we're gonna slowly add in our dry ingredients. So there you go, look at that. That's our pumpkin filling. Perfect. So we're gonna leave this set aside and now we're gonna make our cheesecake filling. So for our cream cheese filling, we have 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 egg yolk, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna beat this together. Now to assemble our muffins. So we have our muffin pan, spray that. And we're gonna take ice cream scooper and we're gonna do about 2/3 of the way, okay? So now that we have our pumpkin mixture, now we're gonna do our cheesecake. So I'm gonna do a teaspoon of the cheesecake. I'm gonna put it right here in the center. We're gonna scoop them out in the middle and then we'll use a toothpick to incorporate it into our muffin. So now we're gonna take a toothpick and we're just gonna swirl in our cheesecake into our pumpkin. These little treats are perfect for fall because you don't have to do like a big slice of pumpkin pie. You can have just a little pumpkin cheesecake muffin. Look at that, they're ready. Nice little swirl. We're gonna pop them in the oven for about 20 minutes. We cooked our pumpkin cheesecake muffins for about 30 minutes. You just have to make sure you put a toothpick and that it comes out clean. Oh my goodness, they smell so good. Look at these. Oh. So I didn't use the liners, but you can do that as well. But I think that looks more like a muffin like this. But if you put a liner, it will also look like a little, almost like a little cupcake. Delicious. Look at these. I love cheesecake and pumpkin. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. Don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, And check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products. Mmm.